The legend of the Volto Santo, or Holy Face, relates the story of one of the most revered Christian art objects of medieval Europe. The manuscript was made in France, probably in Paris, in the early 15th century. The book's patrons, two brothers, are pictured in the frontispiece. They kneel before the carved wooden crucifix known as the Holy Face. It is displayed above the altar in a chapel within the cathedral church of the Italian city of Lucca. The legend of the creation of the Volto Santo in Jerusalem, its discovery and transport to Italy, and its associated miracles unfolds in the book's Middle French text and its narrative paintings. An angel shows the sculptor the wood for making the image. Having carved the figure, he is afraid to attempt the face. While he sleeps, the face is carved by an angel, signaled in the painting by the angel crowning the figure of Christ. Informed in a vision of the location of the sculpture, the Bishop of Lucca travels to Jerusalem. The miraculous image is prepared for transport. It travels across the Mediterranean, enclosed in a wooden structure on a ship guided by angels. The ship arrives at Luni on the west coast of Italy. There, the Bishop of Lucca gives a vessel containing the blood and sweat of Christ to the local bishop. The crucifix then travels on a cart pulled by oxen, miraculously without a driver. Arriving at Lucca, it is received by the people. Once installed in the cathedral, the image works a series of miracles. The most famous involves a musician rewarded by the statue with one of its silver slippers. In the painting, the slipper is shown atop the green garment on the floor near the altar. Another miracle involves a boy possessed by a demonic spirit. Once exorcised, the demon breaks a wooden crossbeam as it flees the church. Most of the miracles take place in the chapel at Lucca, that location specified by the red background with golden balls. The chalice at the foot of the crucifix is a receptacle for monetary offerings, which were channeled through a tube to a strongbox below. The manuscript's text and images celebrate both the miraculous crucifix and the city of Lucca, the hometown of the book's patrons. The facsimile was published by The Emma Editores in Spain in 2008.